At number 2, we have ArtNaturals Retinol Renew Serum. ArtNaturals Retinol Renew Serum is a powerful anti-aging product that contains 2.5% retinol, along with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and various botanical extracts. This combination of ingredients is designed to diminish fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, age spots, and under-eye bags. The serum also promotes natural collagen production, which helps to exfoliate the skin, leaving it smoother, brighter, and firmer. The formula includes hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture and plump the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Aloe vera and jojoba oil are included for their hydrating and soothing properties, while green tea extract provides additional antioxidant benefits. One of the standout features of this serum is its ability to clean and tighten pores, making it particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. The exfoliating effect of retinol helps to keep pores clear, reducing the likelihood of breakouts. Additionally, the serum helps to reduce excess oil production, further aiding in the prevention of acne.